This is from MotoVlog India. So I ordered a couple of things. This is the helmet specific for my AGV K5S helmet specific mount. This I think is the mount for Insta360. So it will sit like this, like horizontal. This is to fix your GoPro vertically. So like this GoPro will come here. This is for that, and this is another Insta360 mount for this one. So let's see how they fit. Story is very simple. I told you right in my last, I think 1 or 2 videos back, that I changed my helmet finally using this. So I managed to get the cardo on this, but as you can see there's no mount, and I have told you guys that I'll be regularly motovlogging. So for that I found this brand called MotoVlog India. So they make helmet specific mounts, GoPro mounts, and as I'll show you now. Finally we have fit, and it looks ultra wide, something like this. It fit nicely, and for all my previous helmets I used to have M seal so that I can be worry free, but this, since it's a custom one, and let me show you, I think it's fitting nicely only. So I let it dry. So see, pretty sturdy. So let's go check this out. This is the K5S. This is the GoPro. It's going to sit something like this, angle, everything, we'll figure it out. Also I've reduced the length. Before I used to have 2 extensions here, but now I think this is sufficient. We'll come to know today. But the main agenda is to test this. This is the Insta360 X3, which was lying idle. Use it very rarely. Thought this, I've seen very nice shots, so I ordered a mount as I showed you yesterday. So this is the mount, and it goes on the camera as well. We'll go check this out today. Come, let's see. The samaya ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬೈಕ್ನ ತೆಗೆದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ okay, we let it warm up for 2 minutes. The one more issue now is there is no mic attached on this helmet. I don't want to make the helmet very messy, so I'm just figuring out any other way, or waiting for Harshit to go to China next so that he can get the DJI Action 6 or 7, that the latest one now, that has the wireless mic and everything. But yeah, for now you'll have to deal with this. So yeah, so this bike we're going to take it out on Monday, very special occasion, so we're gonna see. Wait for that. I am thinking, or I am believing, that the angle of the Insta360 will be a little better, because you have 360, no? ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ. ಓ ಶೂಟ್, ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಮಿಂಗ್ ವೇರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. Today, no, we were supposed to go on a ride, but all thanks to Mr. Harshit Gupta again. One or the other reason he'll come. Starting to hate him for that now. So the plan was to do 2 or 3 ghats in 3 days. So I had a super plan. This bugger gave up time. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So how are you liking the angle, guys? I know it's a very random video, but again, experimenting. More advantage of having the Insta360 is I think I can post content on Instagram also, for reels, etc. I'm not sure, but I'm believing it. I'm talking so loudly because I don't know whether ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ, if it's audible or not, I'm not sure. So I want to be 100%, just be on the safer side. Full wind noise, I know. Reviews and what is the ultimate thing. So it holds sturdy enough, but editing with this is a little bit of task when you switch on that 360 mode, because each and every angle you have to sit and manually set. That's why I recorded some more bit before this clip, but I'm like, who's gonna sit and frame each and every angle? So yeah, I'm going to use this. My next experiment would be trying with a single lens on Insta360. There is a way where you can just switch on one lens, either this or this, and record. So I think that will make things easier. But yeah, one more advantage of having 360 is for even for your Instagram also you can post. So yeah, happy with this. Let's go. See you in the next video. That's it for today's video. Next video is going to be very, very special. A ride with a special group. You will see very soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, have fun.